Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Fastmail to secure login with one-time codes step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Fastmail account using your usual credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings by clicking on your profile icon in the upper right corner. In the settings menu, look for the security section and click on it. Find the option for two-step verification and select it. Click on the button to enable two-step verification. You will be prompted to choose a method for receiving one-time codes. Select the option to use an authenticator app for added security. If you don't already have an authenticator app, download one from your device's app store. Open the authenticator app and select the option to add a new account. You will need to scan the QR code displayed on your Fastmail account. Once the QR code is scanned, the app will generate a one-time code. Now, return to your Fastmail settings and enter the one-time code in the provided field. Click on the button to verify the code. After verification, Fastmail will prompt you to generate backup codes. Save these backup codes in a secure location for future use. Once done, you can finalize the setup by clicking on Finish. Your Fastmail account is now secured with two-step verification using one-time codes. Log out of your account and test the setup by logging back in with your credentials. When prompted, open your authenticator app to obtain the new one-time code. Input the code into Fastmail to complete the login process. You have successfully connected Fastmail to secure login with one-time codes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.